Ever wondered how your teeth show up and change over time? Let's dive into the fascinating process of milk teeth and permanent teeth eruption in just 60 seconds. Around 6 to 12 months, babies get their first set of teeth, called milk teeth or primary teeth. These 20 tiny chompers start erupting, helping kids chew and speak. They begin with the front incisors, followed by canines and molars, fully in by age 3. Fast forward to age 6. Milk teeth start to wiggle and fall out as the permanent teeth push through. This process, called exfoliation, makes room for 32 adult teeth. Incisors come first, then canines, premolars, and molars, with wisdom teeth appearing in the late teens or early 20s. While milk teeth guide permanent teeth into place, the adult set is built to last a lifetime with proper care. The whole transition takes about 6 to 12 years, wrapping up by early adolescence. That's the tooth on Eruption. Keep brushing and flossing to keep those pearly whites shining. Subscribe for more dental facts, and we'll see you next time.